MS Access work code. Okay, the work code is, we want to create a database application of student midterm mark list, contains student's name, student ID, and student's mark. Okay, so this is our work code. Okay, we want to create this in MS Access. Okay, the first thing is, see, okay, right click this one. Okay, and then you go here, new option, you will get the MS Access database. Okay, so in this I'm typing mark list. Okay, after that you open this one. Okay, MS Access. Okay, and this is MS Access. Okay, so this one is MS Access. Okay, we want to create a data, that is we want to enter the data. For this you want to go in the create option. Okay, in create option you can enter the data either by this table or by using the form. Okay, so first time I'm entering the data by using the table. Okay, first you want to design the table. For this I'm going in the table design. Okay, so in the table design it has the field name. Field means the column name. Okay, so the field name, and the first field I'm giving serial number. Okay, serial number, and data type is I'm giving number. Okay, I'm giving auto number. Okay, that is the serial number should be 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, so I'm giving auto number. And next thing is I'm giving student's mark, sorry, student name, and this one I'm giving short test. Okay, short test means up to 256, up to 200 character like that. Okay, next time giving student mark, sorry, student ID number, ID. Okay, so ID should be number. Okay, so data type is number. Okay, and then I use student mark. Okay, so this one also will be a number. Okay, so this one also will be number. Okay, and here I'm giving double. Okay, so in the auto I'm giving double. Okay, in the field is I'm giving double. Okay, so double means we can either use integer or fraction like that. Okay, I'm giving double integer, so double in the fields is. Okay, because the mark will be in decimal also, mark will be in decimal also. So okay, so I'm giving it this. Okay, so after entering the design in the table form, okay, you want to view the table. Okay, so for this you go here, view option. Okay, so in the design option you will get the view. So in the view you can go the data sheet view. Okay, so here it asks you want to save this. Okay, so we are saving this file. Okay, the name midterm mark. Okay, okay, and then I'm giving okay. Okay, so it has primary key. Okay, so primary key I'm giving serial number. Okay, serial number is okay, I'm giving this primary key. You give yes. Okay, so here is the table. Okay, so in this table only we can enter the data. Okay, so and this MS Access is the relational database management. Okay, so this MS Access is the relational database application. Okay, so that is we will enter the data in the form of table. Okay, here we are having rows, column, so this is called relational database. Okay, okay, and you can enter the data like this. Okay, first I'm giving the name, student name, I'm giving B, ID number 122, and mark I'm giving 12.5 like this. Okay, and second name I'm giving somewhat B like that, ID number giving 123, mark I'm giving 9, and third name I'm giving M, so I'm giving the ID name 124, I'm giving mark like that, 16 like that. Okay, so you can okay, I already told that we can enter the data by using this table format. Okay, or in the form. Okay, so in the form option. Okay, so for using the form option you just click this one, this table. Okay, and then you go here form. Okay, so to use the form option, you just click this table, and then you go in the form. Okay, so now it became a form. Okay, so now we can enter the data. Okay, after creating a form, you close this table. Okay, so now you are entering the data in the form. Okay, so I'm giving. Okay, after that you give here the form view. Okay, so now you can enter the data. Okay, so first number, name I'm giving as K, enter, ID number giving 125, enter, mark I'm giving 15, and then enter. Okay, second number I'm giving R, enter, 125, 6. Okay, like this you can enter the data. Okay, student name giving J, 127, markers 18.5. Okay, okay, after entering the data you can see this data in the table. Okay, so okay, you open this table. Okay, so you can see the data. Okay, okay, I enter the data like this. Okay, this is the form of entering data in the form of table, sorry, in the form of form. Okay, so first you want to choose a table. Okay, and then you want to create a form like this. Okay, so in the form you want to go here, view, form view. Okay, after that after that you can enter the data, enter the data like this. Okay, okay, so after that you can see here. Okay, so you can either enter the data by using this table or in the form. Okay, and this is the form of this is the way of entering the data in MS Access.